Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a mobile number to your Gmail account. This is a quick way to keep your account more secure and make it easier to access whenever you need it. Let's get started. First, from your Gmail homepage, head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That little circle might show your picture or just your initials. From the dropdown, select Manage your Google account. Once you're in the Google account dashboard, look at the left-hand side panel and click Personal Info. This is where all your key account details live, like your name, birthday, and contact info. Scroll until you see the section labeled Contact Info. Under this, click on Phone. That'll bring up the page where you can manage the numbers linked to your account. On the right side, you'll notice an Add Now button. Click that to begin. You'll get a box asking for your country and phone number. Be sure to pick the right country code first, then type in your number carefully. Double check it so you don't run into any verification issues. Next, hit Next and follow the prompts. Google will send a text message with a verification code. Just enter that code into the field provided and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully added your mobile number to your Gmail account. This little step goes a long way toward improving your security and making account recovery easier if you ever forget your password. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Google tips.